We look at the problem equals squared times cosine. We do this to see what we need to solve. This is our starting math sentence. We identify that the function is product of two parts. We do this to know which rule to use next. Product means one part is multiplied by another part. We will use the product rule, which is prime times plus times prime. We do this to find the derivative of multiplication problem. The product rule tells us how to handle two parts being multiplied. We let b squared and b cosine. We do this to name each part clearly. Naming the parts helps us use the formula correctly. We find the derivative of which is 2 and the derivative of which is negative sign. We do this to get the pieces for our rule. Each part must be changed into its own derivative first. We put our pieces into the formula to get 2 times cosine plus squared times negative sign. We do this to build our new math sentence. The product rule formula tells us exactly where each piece goes. We change plus squared times negative sign into minus squared times sign. We do this to make the signs easier to read. Plus and minus together make minus. We write the simplified derivative as 2 times cosine minus squared times sine. We do this to show the final math sentence clearly. This shows the result of our work without extra symbols. We can factor out and to get times the quantity 2 times cosine minus times sine. We do this to make the expression shorter. Factoring is when we take common part out of every term. The final answer is dy dx equals 2 times cosine minus squared times sine. We do this to state our finished result. This is the completed derivative for the problem.